been able to improvise with this knife. Able to unscrew it. There you go. This is a big pain. We're getting the screws out, and that's what's important. Unfortunately, it's just taking longer than it should. Alright, so we're getting into the tea kettle. And from the looks of it, it's just a bunch of wires and stuff, so that's not too hard. Some screws, and we'll get that inside stuff taken out. Go, and we can cut this stuff and put it in a wire pile. Go. A few more snips and we'll be done. We'll be able to separate cables with the garbage. So, hunk of steel here. Some cables. Bust this guy open. Take out more of the plastic. That it could be a nice clean stainless steel.